Hello everyone, I am Vipul and my partner Sifat. Welcome to the project demonstration video of Therap JavaFest 2023. We are proudly representing Team Bankrupted from Shahjalal University of Science and Technology. Today, we are here to introduce you to GreenRoof, a groundbreaking platform designed exclusively for rooftop gardeners. Rooftop gardens are more than just beautiful spaces. They are vital solutions for the challenges of 21st century. They combat global warming, poor air quality, and food contamination. They are nature's way of giving back. But we are not just about planting. GreenRoof is about creating a community of passionate gardeners who believe in sustainable living. Our goal is simple: to connect experienced gardeners with those just starting out, to share knowledge, exchange ideas, and grow together. We understand that starting a rooftop garden can be a challenge, which is why GreenRoof offers a dedicated space for users to connect through messages and share their journey through text and images. And that's not all. We have a forum where you can ask questions and receive expert advice. And for those quick queries, our AI assistant is here to provide instant guidance. Now, let's dive into the technical side of our project.
This is our landing page. Here user can see the motto of our platform, which clearly indicates a connection beyond gardening. In the navbar, we have three menus. Any user can access the forum and use AI assistance, but only a registered user can access the community. For now, let's register a new user by clicking on Join button. Now fill out all the required fields. Users have to provide unique username and email to register to our platform. Our system will send a verification link to the email. After that, users have to verify their account using the link. Let's try to register a new user using the same email and username and see what happens. See, our system is not accepting their request. Before logging into our account, let's imagine a situation where a user forgot their password. User have to enter their email where a verification link will be sent. User can change their password using the link sent to their inbox. Password has been changed successfully. Now user can log into their account with the new password. Let's try to log in. Before providing the valid username and password, try logging with a wrong password. See, our system is preventing the login request. This time, try with the correct username and password. Now, our system has accepted the request.
So, this is our community homepage. This is a 3-column based web page. On the first column, we see our navbar. On the second column, we can see the feed posts. Feeds appear in two different ways. We can see the most recent posts of the platform from the most recent tab. On the following tab, we can see posts from users we are following. On the third column, we can follow users from a suggested list generated by system. Now let's post something here. Here we can post only text, only picture, or both together. Let's write something and select a picture. Here we can see the preview of the picture. Now let's post it. See, the post has been created. If we want, we can edit and delete the post as well. Let's edit it first. If we want to delete the post, just click on delete button. We can also react to a post. Now let's add a comment to the post. Comment can also be edited and deleted as well. Now let's check out the notification tab. We can see if other users liked or commented on our posts from here. In search tab, we can search users as well as posts. In profile section, user can see their posts, update profile and name. User can also see their followings and followers list. We can toggle between light and dark mode on our platform.
Due to hosting service free trial limitation, we could not run WebSocket server. So we are demonstrating message feature on our local server. Messaging can be done in two different ways, by clicking on the message tab or by clicking on the message button from user profile. See what we have on the message tab. We can see the previous chats here. We can also create a chat with a new user by clicking on the plus sign from top left corner. Now let's see how can we chat with a new user from user profile. Click on the message button and new chat with the user has been created. Now we can send text messages, images, attachments and also voice chats. Send a text message first. Now send an image. And finally, try sending a voice message. We can also reply to a certain message here and also react to messages with various reaction emojis. Thus, options are also included to messages. When a message is delivered, a dark tick is shown. When a message is read by the user, two green ticks are shown. A user can also delete or edit their messages as well.
This is our forum. It's accessible to all for viewing questions and their respective answers. Visitors can also check out the profiles of our top contributors on the right of the page. These leading members are ranked by the number of answers they have provided in the forum. Visitors have the ability to search questions and users in the forum. View posts based on the specific tags. In order to ask a question, a user must log into their account. Users have the option to include images and tags with their forum queries. Let's ask a question on forum. Once logged in, a user is able to respond to questions. They can also edit and delete their questions and answers on the forum. Users can also express their appreciation or disagreement by upvoting or downvoting answers. For our AI assistant, we have used OpenAI API with Pinecone integration. We have used LangChain here to get AI response on the basis of our documents. We have created embeddings and stored it on Pinecone. When we call OpenAI API, LangChain will force it to answer on the context that we have given. In our site, we have admin and user roles. Now let's log in with admin credentials. Here, we will see the options to delete posts on the community. An admin can also delete comments. Admin will have the same kind of authority on the forum. Furthermore, an admin can ban a user from the site. Let's ban a user. Now let's search the user profile and see what happens. See, we no longer can follow or message the banned user. And a banned user can't log in to the site also.
This is how we structured our folders. We have followed the MVC pattern for the backend part. Moreover, we tried to structure our folders in such a way that it can easily be converted into a microservices architecture. In the backend part, we have folders for different features. Inside most of the folders, we have used the same pattern as it is shown here for the community. In the frontend part, we have two subfolders. In the public folder, we have all the public assets. The source folder has multiple subfolders whose names are self-explanatory. As we discussed, we have followed MVC pattern for our backend part. First, a REST controller accepts a request and it sends this request to a service component. The service component uses business logic to get and pass data. We have used Spring Security to protect our backend APIs. For verification mail, we used Java Mail and Gmail's SMTP server. To authenticate users, we have used JWT tokens, which expires after a certain period. In frontend section, for GET and POST requests, we have used Axios. To cache retrieve data, we have used React Query. And to handle form data, we have used React Form Hook. We used Sandbird SDK, UI, and their REST APIs for messaging. Using UIKit, we implemented messaging pages. To message from profile, we had to make a custom message button, which required a POST request to their server. For handling images in frontend, we used Cloudinary as cloud image storage. We made a POST request with image data and got a URL as a response. And finally saved this URL to our database. Let's see our database schema. All the relations and mappings are shown here. This was our project demonstration video for Therap JavaFest 2023. Thanks for staying with us.